Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to install PSP games on the Android phone. So first step is just go to the Play Store of your mobile phone and go to the Play Store and search the name of the application PPSSPP and search this, and once you search this you will be seeing this kind of application PPSSPP PSP emulator. So make sure to download this application on your Android phone from your Play Store, and once you download the application just click on open, and once you open you will be seeing this kind of interface. So let it load, and once you're on this section what you need to do is just click on the load on the right side of the screen, and once you click on load it will take you to this section from like your kind of my files on your mobile phone. And from this section what you need to do is just make sure to choose the right application whatever you want to install. Like let's say make sure that you already have downloaded the games on your mobile phone from the browser. Like make sure to download them and save it in the my files folder, and once you save them just make sure to select the game from this section through this method, and once you select the application just click on install, and after that it will start downloading and installing into the PPSSPP, and after that it will be added into your mobile phone. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can install PSP games on your Android phone.